Have you ever wondered how apps like Netflix, Spotify, or even your favorite websites manage to run so smoothly on millions of devices at once? Behind the scenes, there's one tool making this possible: Docker. Now, Docker isn't just another piece of software. It's a whole new way of packaging applications so they run anywhere on any machine without breaking. Before Docker, things were messy. Developers constantly battled with missing files, mismatched operating systems, and the dreaded phrase, "but it works on my machine." Whole days, sometimes weeks, were wasted just trying to make apps run consistently. Docker changed the game with something called containers. Think of containers like shipping containers for software. Just like a cargo ship can carry hundreds of sealed containers across the ocean, each holding exactly what it needs, Docker does the same for apps. Each container is lightweight, isolated, and built to do one job really well: running a database, hosting a website, or processing data. And here's the magic. Unlike traditional virtual machines, containers don't carry the heavy baggage of their own operating system. They share resources with the host machine, making them faster, smaller, and more efficient. That's why a single server can run dozens, even hundreds of containers side by side without slowing down. For developers, this is revolutionary. You can build an app on your laptop, move it to a cloud server, or scale it across the globe, and it will run exactly the same way every time. That kind of consistency is why companies like Netflix, PayPal, and even government agencies trust Docker to keep their systems reliable. So, how does it work in practice? It starts with a Docker file, a simple recipe that defines how your app should run. That builds into an image. And when you launch it, you get a container, your app, ready to go. And the best part? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. On Docker Hub, there are millions of ready-to-use containers, everything from Python environments to apps like WordPress, Plex, or Nextcloud. Here's why this matters. Docker doesn't just make life easier for developers. It's one of the core reasons modern apps can scale globally. So when you hit play on Netflix or order now on your food app, it just works. If this video helped you understand Docker better, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to explain next. Until then, happy learning and stay curious.